Are you serious? So, are you telling me you like the flavor of bum? Where's Brie?
Hi guys, so today we are doing the taste test with this gross cotton candy barbecue sauce.
Barbecue sauce, that's right. Does that sound yummy or yucky?
Yummy.
It sounds yummy to you?
Yeah.
Just so everyone knows, Brie knows that this cotton candy is not typically a yummy flavor, right? It's supposed to be a yucky flavor. So you know that, and you're still willing to try it. And if you all haven't seen our bacon cotton candy video, we'll put a thumbnail of that one at the end of the video because she liked the bacon flavored cotton candy and all the adults hated it. So I wouldn't put it past her that she might like this, but we're gonna see. And did you want to ask any questions about it first?
No, thank you.
No, you just want to start? All right, you need help opening it?
No.
Okay, go ahead. All right, before you taste it, why don't you smell it first and tell us what it smells like.
Smells like barbecue sauce.
It smells like barbecue sauce?
Yes.
Okay, we'll take a chunk of it and go ahead and let's see. Take a big old bite. You thinking? No, you are not. You are lying. You're lying.
No, not.
Is that really a thumbs up for you? Oh my gosh. Dad is gonna freak out. Are you serious? Are you just showboating? Are you just trying to pretend like it's good, or do you really like that?
I really like it.
You've got to be kidding me. You guys. The adults tried this and literally like gagged and almost barfed. Oh wait, she's getting a different face now. She's eating more of it. You're kidding, right? I mean, if it was that bad, you would not be going. She wouldn't be going back for more. I guarantee you. You got to be kidding me right now. Are you a freak of nature? No. Are you serious?
Yeah.
I am like dumbfounded right now.
Ow.
I dare anyone to go try this barbecue cotton candy and enjoy it. This is so grotesque. Tell me, what does it taste like to you?
Bum.
What?
Bum.
It tastes like bum? So, are you telling me you like the flavor of bum? Brie. Is it sweet or not sweet? Tell us a little about it. It's sweet? Like it tastes like sugar? Oh my god. You're freaking me out right now. Seriously, I thought we were going to get like an epic, disgusting face and spitting it out and all this and that, and you're just going back for more. I told you I wouldn't put it past her. She liked the bacon, and she genuinely liked the bacon. She ate the entire package of bacon flavored cotton candy, and we all hated that one too. Y'all go and try this cotton candy. Barbecue sauce flavored cotton candy. I guarantee you will not like it. Okay.
It's a little spicy.
It's a little spicy. Okay, you won't even let me put barbecue sauce on your chicken. Alright, and we're back for more. I can't even. I can't even. I can't even. I'm disgusted just watching this. Okay, so Brie gives barbecue sauce flavored cotton candy 2 thumbs up.
10 thumbs up. Please like my video and subscribe for our channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Gross.